I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. In this video today, I'm going to answer the question, do I need a new window or do I just need new glass? Because there's this question about, hey, Jeff, I had a problem with my window and I need a new window. And I asked somebody, I said, well, what happened? I said, well, little Bobby was throwing his new baseball we got for Christmas and he broke the window and I need a new window. Well, in that case, you really don't need a new window. You just need new glass. So there's a difference between a window company, that's what we do, right? You can see this, all these different brands of windows we have. We have our own installers, we install windows. That's where we usually take all the windows out of your house because you hate your windows. They're single pane, they leak, they're ugly. We put in all new, good, high performance windows. That's a window company. A glass company is someone that just takes the glass out of a window, any window, puts in a new piece of glass. So let me show you how it's done. So here's the glass. Double pane, because people say, wait a minute, I need a new window because it's double pane. No, you can get a whole new double pane piece of glass. This is a cutaway, but you get whole double pane pieces like this. You see how it just inserts right into this groove right here, goes in there, and then we put what's called a glazing bead that holds it in place. So it's really two components to your window. Most window companies only make window frames, and most glass companies only make glass. Those two are married together at the plant to assemble an actual window unit. So if you said, Jeff, I'm looking through my window and I see this foggy stuff, it looks like it's failed. That's called a seal failure. I've got a great video about seal failures, and that's when condensation is formed between the two panes of glass because there was a failure in this seal that holds the two windows together. In that case, you still don't need a new window, you just need a new piece of glass. So yes, there are times you need a new window. What would be the occasion where you need a new window? Well, as I described earlier, if you don't like your windows because they're not energy efficient, or you need sound reduction, or you are worried that they're the wrong color and you want a different color of a window, that's where you need a window company. But if you just have fogging glass, if little Bobby breaks the glass, if somebody, God forbid, breaks into your home, that's where you need glass. But if you do have a broken window, I had a guy call me one time and he actually had a tree that fell on his window. He needed a whole window. That's the difference between a window company and a glass company. Hopefully that solves that question. Now, if you're looking for a great window company and you live in Texas, I want to help. I'm the founder of the Window Experts. We're in Houston and we're in DFW and we're growing into other parts of Texas. We sell over a dozen brands of windows and doors, use our own installers, and we have a lifetime installation leak-free guarantee. Now, if you don't live in Texas, check out this list I made. It's called jeffslist.com. It's a list of great window companies all over the country. A bunch of really good guys and gals that do a great job like we do here in Houston. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and share this with someone who needs new glass or new windows.